In this video, I will show you how to create a payment link in Stripe. To do this, first go and open up Stripe, whether that's the app or website, and sign in. From there, go to the plus in the top right that says Create and go to Payment Link. Now here we can set up a payment link for a specific product. So you can set a payment page, set it to after payment, just do whichever one you want to use. Now for example, let's say that I want to create a payment link for something that costs $297 per month. I can just add that right here. Then I can also add more products, add recommended products, and options such as collecting tax automatically, collecting customers' names, business names, customers' address. For example, I'll do their business name and their normal name. And then from there, under advanced options, you can also add some other things such as custom fields, promotion codes, and more. Now from there, you can just click create link, and then in the left menu under shortcuts, you will find payment links, and then here you will see the link. So if you now copy this, and in an incognito tab, just search for it, you can now see it will take you to the payment page for the $297 per month thing, where I ask the full name and business name. They can then enter their details and pay for it. So you can just reuse this. You can also create a new link for every single customer that you want to send it to, whatever you want to do. It's probably easiest to just reuse it if everything is the exact same. You can also set the payment methods people can use right here. So now you know how to create a payment link in Stripe. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.